Hi, I'm Carol and I am a Norwex independent demonstrator. I don't generally make Norwex videos, but I did want to share what happened to me this morning. One of the many reasons I absolutely love Norwex. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend just dropping an egg on the floor like this, but since I did drop that egg on the floor, I'm not panicked about it because I have an Envirocloth. Look at this. You know what a mess that would be normally to clean up. Well, with an Envirocloth, look at that. I literally picked up 99% of the YUK. There's hardly anything left. Let me just put that in the sink. Rinse my cloth out. Get all that stuff rinsed off of it, and I'm just going to go back and wipe it just to be sure. Okay. Now let me just make sure I get the whole area so nothing's left, and it is squeaky clean. Love my Norwex Envirocloth! Yay! How quick and easy was that? So, there it is, why I prefer mechanical cleaning with Norwex. Now, to make it maybe a little clearer in your mind, mechanical cleaning with Norwex Envirocloth versus chemical cleaning with your antibacterial wipes, think of your cleaning as weeding a garden. Mechanical cleaning is you are getting down there and you are taking out all the mess from that garden, and when you're done it is beautiful and pristine. Now if you chemically weed your garden, that is get weed killer and spray all the weeds, yeah, the weeds are dead, but it's still there and you still have to go back and weed your garden. That is mechanical versus chemical. And mechanical cleaning versus chemical cleaning is about the same thing. I removed 100% of the mess and 99% of the bacteria like that with just my Norwex cloth and water. If you use those antibacterial wipes, you have to use enough wipes to keep that surface wet for several minutes. Read the back of the container. And then after you've done that, then you have to go back and wash the surface to remove the residue. Again, read the back of the container. I don't have time for that. I don't have the money to go spending on all these wipes that are just going to go in the garbage, or the paper towels that are just going to go in the garbage. Why? Just give me a Norwex Envirocloth, let me get it wet, and I'll do my cleaning. My house is clean, environment saved, wallet happy. So stay safe and trust Norwex.